Hey there, meal preppers! How's everyone doing today? I hope you're all ready to dive into another delicious and easy meal prep recipe. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of food lovers and meal prep enthusiasts. Today, I'm going to show you how to make teriyaki chicken bowls. These bowls are not only super tasty, but also incredibly easy to prepare. They're quick, they're tasty, and they're perfect for meal prepping your week. Let's dive in. Trust me, once you try this recipe, it's going to become a staple in your meal prep routine. First up, grab 2 pounds of chicken tenders or boneless, skinless chicken breasts. You can use whichever you prefer or have on hand. Cut them into bite-sized pieces. This will help them cook evenly and quickly, making your meal prep even more efficient. Heat 1. 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Olive oil adds a nice flavor and helps to cook the chicken perfectly. Add the chicken to the hot oil and cook for about 5-6 minutes on each side until the internal temperature hits 165 degrees. Make sure to flip the pieces halfway through to get an even cook. While the chicken is cooking, measure out 8 ounces of teriyaki sauce and a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Set those aside. The combination of these ingredients will give your chicken that classic teriyaki flavor. In a separate bowl, mix a 1/4 cup of water with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Set that aside too. This mixture will help thicken the sauce later on. Once your chicken is cooked, remove it from the heat and cut it into 1-inch strips. This makes it easier to eat and perfect for bowl-style meals. Toss those strips back into the pan. This step ensures that the chicken gets fully coated with the delicious sauce we're about to add. Now, add the teriyaki sauce, brown sugar, and water cornstarch mixture to the pan. Mix it all up. Make sure every piece of chicken is well coated. Turn your burner to medium-high and heat until the sauce starts to bubble. This is when the magic happens, and the flavors really start to meld together. Once it's bubbling, reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 5 minutes, stirring frequently. This will allow the sauce to thicken and become even more flavorful. The sauce should thicken up nicely. You'll know it's ready when it has a glossy, rich texture. Once it's at your desired thickness, remove it from the heat. This will prevent it from overcooking and ensure it stays perfect for your bowls. Now let's assemble those bowls. This is the fun part where you get to see everything come together. Start with 1 cup of prepared rice in each bowl. Rice is a great base that soaks up all the delicious flavors of the teriyaki sauce. We love using white rice, but you can totally switch it up with cauliflower rice, brown rice, or even rice noodles. Each option brings a unique texture and flavor to the dish. Add approximately ½ cup of teriyaki chicken on top. Make sure to get plenty of that delicious sauce in there too. Then, add your steamed vegetables. This not only adds color, but also a nice crunch and nutritional value to your meal. I've got 2 cups of steamed broccoli and 2 cups of julienne carrots here. Feel free to use any veggies you like or have on hand. Finally, garnish with some green onions and sesame seeds. These little touches add a burst of flavor and make your bowls look restaurant quality. And there you have it. Beautiful, delicious teriyaki chicken bowls that are perfect for meal prepping. Just prep all the ingredients ahead of time, assemble your bowls, and you're good to go. It's that simple and convenient. Heat and eat whenever you're ready. These bowls are perfect for busy weekdays or when you just don't feel like cooking. Love the recipe? Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Your support means the world to us. Happy meal prepping. We can't wait to see your delicious creations. Don't forget to tag us on social media with your meal prep photos. See you next time.